Hello, this is Mr. Derry 2025, reminding Mr. Derry in 2026 how to get the sheets working. So the first thing we need to do is go to this PC and get our templates from the tech drive. All right, in the tech drive, we've got our midterm template and we have our Solidworks templates. You're going to copy this and you're going to put it into your folder. So you're going to go into the tech drive, go to student folders, find your folder, and put it in engineering design. So I've got a lot of them in here, so SolidWorks templates are already there. So I would just paste those templates in. I'm going to go ahead and paste it. It's just going to go over the top of it. All right, so in that folder we have some templates, midterm template, etc., some other templates. I'm going to close that out and going to go ahead and open up SolidWorks now. And oops, where's my SolidWorks? So in SolidWorks, I'm going to close everything out just so I'm looking at a blank SolidWorks screen. I'm going to go to the gear here and I want to teach SolidWorks how to find these templates. So if you go to the gear and then you go to file locations, you're going to go to document templates first and then you're going to add that location. So hit the add button and then you need to again navigate to your folder and find that folder that you just brought in. Once you find that folder, hit select folder. We're going to do the same thing not just for drawing templates but for sheet templates. So you're going to go, or sheet formats rather. You're going to go to sheet formats. You're going to go to add, find that same location, hit select folder, hit OK. So SolidWorks now has the ability to take access or utilize those sheet templates that we made. So if I go to File and go to New right now, some of you probably have the default for the novice setting for a new document in SolidWorks. If you hit the Advanced button, it'll call up these tabs, and notice that I have a SolidWorks template tab, which is the one that I just added, and I can access that template for the midterm. It's 2018 and now it's 2026 probably, so it's a little old, but it still works. You're going to click on that and you'll see that this document, this drawing document, contains 4 sheets, which is what you need, and we are going to start off on sheet 3. We can rename those, and I might show you how to do that in a moment. Let me resize my SolidWorks so it fits in the screen here. Okay, the cool thing about this is if we set up our part properly, when we bring a part into this template has been designed to read information from our part file or our assembly file and load it into this title block here. So let's take a look and see how that works. So there's a couple ways to bring an object into, and I'm going to go to just show you how to go to these different sheets real quick. On the bottom here, I'm going to go to sheet 4 for a moment. You can go to model view to bring stuff in, but the better way to do it is to come over here to the view palette, I think. So I'm going to click on the view palette and I'm going to locate something that I want to bring in. I'm in my midterm review and I'm going to bring in the lock nut. And as I open that up, this gives me the option to drag it in. I want to take the front view, throw it in here, and you'll notice that immediately these fields all populated with the author, the date, the material, the weight, the scale, etc. I'm going to right click on this dotted line, and I'm actually going to open up that part and show you why that works. So if we go into the part itself, and you will need to do this for all of your parts, you're going to need to go to File Properties, and you're going to need to go to Custom and set up all of these items. So you're going to need, if you click over here and go to New Property, you can add part number, description, material, drawn by, date, etc. Once you get those put in, you're going to come over here and you're going to do the same thing. So Some of these you don't need to do anything for, like the part number, or in the material you do. You need to click on this one and you need to select material again. You need to click on the weight one and you need to click on mass, and that'll populate those. These you don't really need to do anything for. Notice that the description one is blank. I'm going to go ahead and write it in, and it's just really going to repeat the name of the document. So if I write in lock nut, you'll see that when I go back to my drawing now, and let me go to tile these up. When I go back to my drawing, notice that the description now says lock nut, and I don't know if you noticed before, but that was left blank before, and that's because in the properties tab I didn't have anything in here. So that's the trick for doing this. Maybe you'll remember it, maybe not. If you don't remember, you've got this to go with here.